Hello and welcome to Vapari Farms. Today we're going to explore one of the most essential practices for any backyard gardener, composting kitchen scraps. Composting not only reduces waste but also creates a nutrient-rich soil amendment that will boost your garden's health and productivity. Let's dive in and learn how to do it effectively. Composting is a simple yet powerful way to transform kitchen waste into a valuable resource for your garden. By composting, you're reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills, which helps decrease methane emissions. Plus, compost enriches your soil, improving its structure and fertility, which leads to healthier plants and better yields. Choosing the right materials. So what can you compost? Focus on plant-based materials like fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, tea leaves, and eggshells. Avoid adding meat, bones, dairy products, oils, and seeds or fruit pits, as these can attract pests and create odors. Methods for composting. There are several ways to compost kitchen scraps. Backyard compost pile. Layer green materials like food scraps with brown materials like leaves or straw. Maintain a mix of about 4:1 browns to greens. Worm composting. Use a worm bin for a compact, odor-free option. Worms break down scraps into nutrient-rich castings. Trench composting. Dig a trench in your garden and fill it with scraps. Cover with soil and let it decompose in place. Tips for successful composting. For successful composting, remember the 4 M's. Mix. Combine different materials to ensure a balance of carbon and nitrogen. Mash. Chop scraps into smaller pieces for faster decomposition. Moisten. Keep the pile damp, like a wrung-out sponge. Move. Turn the pile regularly to introduce oxygen and speed up the process. Before adding scraps to your compost pile, store them in a kitchen container with a lid. You can also freeze scraps to prevent rot and attract fewer pests. That's it. With these simple steps, you can turn kitchen scraps into a valuable resource for your garden. Thanks for joining us at Vapari Farms. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.